Hey guys, this is Roxanne Alonso reporting live from my YouTube channel. I'm so freaking excited for today's video because I will be using the James Charles palette for the first time. This is the look. And I will also be announcing the winners at the end of this video. So if you want to see how I recreated this look using only this palette, and it's honestly so beautiful, then keep on watching. And if you entered my giveaway from the last video, then keep on watching till the end because that's when I will announce the winners, and I'm so excited. 3 people, that's 6. 3 people will win, and let's get right into this video. All right, here we go. I will be starting off with a Morphe M330 and dipping into, I don't even remember the names. Sorry, sister. I'll be dipping into this black one right here. And I've already, before I started recording, obviously, I did my base and I primed my eyes with Shape Tape Concealer. As you can see, I'm keeping the black mainly in my crease only, and I'm adding a little bit at a time and then building up because that's the safest route, especially with black, because yeah, black got you messed up if you mess up, you know what I mean? All right, now that the black is on, I will be, can't speak English. Now I will be going into this middle shade right here. I want to say that's like Code James or something. I don't know. I suck. Now I will be, oh my god, I can't speak English today. I will be using Morphe M441. Into that color and going right above the black we just put in. Same thing that we did with the black, we're just going to take a little bit at a time and then build up, just so that we make sure that the black is actually blended in seamlessly. Going into this shade right next to the black, it's like a dark brown. We're gonna put that, excuse me, we're gonna put that right in between the two colors we just blended so that it's even more seamless. I'm like barely putting any pressure because as soon as you put a lot of pressure, all the pigment will go everywhere. Now going back in with that same brush we used that middle color with, go in back in with that middle color. I'm going to be doing like a full cut crease, so when you do it, you always want to make sure that you go into the inner corner, because then you see how I have like black, it's just going to be straight black and it's not that cute. You want it to be seamless all the way through. I'm going to take a Morphe M431, it's like a little tiny brush, and I'm going to dip into this one. I'm just using all the browns, just a little bit, and I'm going to, because like this black is just, it's too dark right here in the inner corner, so I'm just going to take that color and layer it on top, so that it blends a little bit better. All right, moving on. I'm going to be taking Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light medium sand. I will be using a Morphe M124. Oh my god, I can't read either. I'm gonna cut that crease. Okay. That's too much. Okay, so what I like to do for anytime I cut my crease, I like to go in the middle, place them down. Oh, a little bit more. And then look up. That's the top of where your crease will be. This time I'm going to use Morphe M321. It's basically like that white one I just used, but a little bit more like dome shaped. I'm going to be taking this like almost black color right above the black. It's like a black brown color. I'm going to be putting it right above the crease I just made because, as you can see, like right here, the black kind of like went away. Okay, now taking that same first brush and going back in with this middle color. Okay, now I will be going in with Morphe R42, and I will be dipping into this gold shade right here. It's so funny because, sidetrack, but the last time I recorded I was like, oh my god, my nails are so crusty because they weren't done. The day after I went to go get my nails done, and now it's been 2 weeks and now my nails are crusty again, so forgive me again. Perfect. Alright, so now I'm going to take the little brush again, going in with that same color that I used on the brush. It's like the really dark brown right above the black, and putting it on the outer corner and blending it in the line with the cut crease. Cool. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the inner corner. Sickening. Okay. I was gonna do eyeliner, but I don't want to. I'm just dipping into the gold because a little bit of it came off. Okay. And now I'm going to put on eyelashes and mascara. Oh, wait, let me do the bottom first. First, taking that same brush I was literally just using with that same color I was literally just using, and then putting it on the lower lash line, coming all the way in and going all the way out till it reaches the bottom of the top. Bless me. Okay. Now I will be taking the M441, dipping into, I'm pretty sure it's Go James, that middle shade, and then blending out that dark black. Alright. Now I will be going into the gold with my finger and putting it right on the center of the bottom lash line. Cool, just like that. Okay, now I'm going, nope, not done yet, just kidding. I'm going to be taking this really white, pearly, shimmery shade on Morphe M222, dipping into that and putting it on the inner corner and my brow bone. I will be using Lily Lashes in Goddess. Sickening. Now I'm going to use L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara and blend my real lashes with the fake lashes, and then put some mascara on my bottom lashes. Cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I am all done with this look. I just, my face was already done. I finished my eyes, did the other side, and I did just add lip gloss by Morphe in the shade Sunnies. Super cute. Alright, now it is winter time. Winter. Okay. I'm super grateful for everyone that entered and followed the rules. There is 179 people that entered, which is super exciting. And yeah, thank you so much. So 179, that's really good odds. I'm using a random generator on the computer right here. So yeah, thank you guys so much for everyone that entered. I really appreciate it. And let's get right in. Start a raffle and pick random winner. First winner of this giveaway is the winner is Cupcake Fanatic. She says, enter me, please, Roxy. It's so hard to get my hands on this palette. I still haven't tried it. Well, sis, now you get to try it. All right. Now moving on. Next winner. Okay. Pick another winner. Start voting. The next winner is Kayla Castillo. She says, oh my gosh, I just found your channel, but I love this video and I love the way this palette looks. Well now sis, you can try it for yourself, and I'm super excited for you. Okay, and last but not least, wait, hold on, I gotta pick another winner. Winner, chicken dinner. Drum roll. Veronica Marquez. I hope I'm saying it right. Yeah, you can't mess that up. She says, oh my god, I'm really, I can't read. Oh my god. I really need this freaking palette so bad. Hard eye. Well now, you really freaking have it. So, I'm super excited to ship all of these babies out. I know it took like a couple weeks before I even recorded this video. I just wanted to give everyone enough time to enter and get a chance to win this amazing palette. And so if you were one of the 3 winners, I will DM you directly and figure out shipping details privately. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for all the love and support, and I am super grateful. And if you're watching this video, thank you so much for being here. Really appreciate it, sister. And for those of you that won, congratulations. I hope you love the palette as much as I do. And yeah, like this video. Hopefully I can do more giveaways soon. Thank you for everyone that entered again. Love you so much. Thanks guys, see you in the next video. Bye. I'm done!